Greenland.
Greenland is close to us.
Greenland is close to us. Kinda.
Today we're going to learn all about apartment English or house English, home English, English vocabulary words that you would use around your house, around your apartment. You can follow along with today's video and repeat after me to practice speaking, to practice the vocabulary that we talk about. I've also created a guide for you, a PDF guide for you that you can download and use to help you remember all of the things that I talk about in this video. You can get that from the link down below, and you will also be added to my email list where you'll receive a free weekly English lesson every week directly to your email inbox. So this is actually the perfect time for me to make this video because one, we just had friends stay with us for 1 week, and so my apartment is very messy, so I'm going to be cleaning it along with you. You can join me while I clean my apartment today, and we can learn some important vocabulary words related to cleaning. And also, this is a good time to make this video because we're about to move. We're going to be moving very soon to a new place, a new home. So I thought to myself, why not show you the process, some cleaning, packing, all that good stuff that's a little bit messy. I'm not going to show you a perfect home because I have a young child at home. My house is almost never clean. So you will see, you will see the reality of what a normal apartment home looks like living with a small child compared to a lot of other North Americans who have a family, who have children. Our home is very small. We live in a small 1-bedroom apartment in the city, downtown. Let me know what your living arrangement is, especially if you have kids. Do you live in a big house? Do you live in a big apartment? A small apartment? Let me know in the comments down below. All right, let's get started. Someone's here. I'll unlock the door and open up the door. These are the hooks where we hang our keys. Here's our front closet. And inside our front closet, we have jackets, sweaters, beach toys, hangers for hanging up our jackets and sweaters. My son's rain jackets because it rains a lot in this city. Down at the bottom, it's extremely messy right now, but we have a shoe rack where we keep all of our shoes. Over here we have some equipment, so my son's bike seat, which attaches to my husband's bike, and a few other odds and ends here. And what's up here on the shelf? We have some bike helmets and some of my son's toys. This is a terrarium that he likes to put insects in from the park.
Slow beetles like apples.
They do?
Slow ones. But those ones are fast, so they don't like apples. So.
What do fast beetles like?
So like seeds, sticks, and just those.
Just those? Okay. So what is this roly-poly doing?
He's laying down, but now he's crawling.
Oh, was he playing dead? Pretending to be dead?
No. Yeah, he was pretending, but now he crawls.
Yeah, I think they do that when they're scared, but oh, he seems okay. We have some boxes here, storage boxes, which contain scarves and hats and other winter items. And then some other outdoor equipment and toys up at the top there. So let's close the closet doors. Oops, something is sticking out. A rain jacket. That's better. And let's continue. This is a giant world map that we hung on the wall for my son because he's really interested in learning some of the countries of the world.
What's this one called?
I don't know.
Greenland.
Greenland is close to us.
Greenland is close to us. Kinda. Where were you born?
There's lots of places.
A lot of places.
Yeah.
You were born here in Vancouver.
And that Turkey too.
You've been to Turkey. Yeah, you've been to Turkey. We traveled to Turkey when you were a baby.
And then I just hopped out. Yeah.
It looks like he made the dinosaur go to India. And got a little shark in the water here. Like every parent, I have my son's artwork on the wall. More art that you've probably seen in some of my other YouTube videos. And down this tiny hallway here, we've got, I don't know what you would call this thing. A local artist made this out of wood, this triangular mini shelf. And really, it's just where we keep our sunglasses and some of our random cards that we share, my husband and I, such as our laundry card for doing laundry in our apartment building. Tour guide extraordinaire. Oops, I almost tripped over something on the floor here as I'm cleaning. We have an inflatable mattress because we went on a little trip this past weekend and we needed an extra bed. So that's an inflatable mattress, and then underneath it is a cooler, which we used to keep our food cool on our road trip. In here we've got our bathroom. Hello. Shower curtain. Bathtub. Hello, bathtub. A drawing, a painting maybe, I'm not sure. A painting or a drawing of one of our favorite places. Beautiful mountain around here. On the floor we have a step stool for my son so that he can reach the sink to brush his teeth and wash his hands. And we also have his bath toys down there. So he plays with all of those things when he takes baths. I'm actually not sure if I need to show you a lot of the details of the bathroom because I have another YouTube video on this channel all about bathroom vocabulary. Bathroom vocabulary. Blah, 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 blah. I can't speak. So if you want to learn bathroom vocabulary in detail, go check out that video as well. Here we've got some lotions and powders, towels hanging up, a hand towel here to dry your hands, our toothbrushes in a cup, and here is some hand soap to wash our hands. I'm turning on the faucet, I'm turning on the cold water and turning it off, and now I'm turning on the hot water and turning it off. Here's our toothpaste and my son's toothpaste for kids. This is some air freshener, Febreze air freshener for stinky bathroom situations. And this is a medicine cabinet. You may have seen me do this in one of my other videos. We have this little portable washing machine that we hook up to our shower. And this just allows us to do laundry in our apartment instead of going downstairs in our apartment building. Here's our dirty laundry hamper. I'm gonna take the dirty laundry, and yeah, there's a lot of it. I'm gonna put that into the laundry machine and take some laundry detergent or laundry soap. Cheers! And I'll pour that into the laundry machine and get our laundry started. Like I said, we just had some guests visiting us, and so a project that I have to do today is strip the beds, strip the sheets from the beds, the pillowcases, and wash all of that stuff. You can see here our big pile of sheets and pillowcases that I need to wash. This is our hallway closet, so I'll open this up, and in here we have our recycling bins on the bottom. We also have a lot of our cleaning supplies in this closet, so you'll see our vacuum cleaner hanging on the wall here charging, our broom for sweeping, and all sorts of odds and ends at the top of the closet here. I'll close this closet. And then turning to the left, we have our kitchen. Da, da, da. It's a small kitchen, so it gets messy pretty quickly. Here are our dirty dishes that I need to wash. And to the right here, our drying rack. Let's see what my son's up to. So we've kind of made a mess over here, but that's okay because look what we made. This cool cardboard airplane. Wow. Dory, do you want to show what it does?
Yeah.
What does it do? What did we make?
Lands, it flies, and they make a lot of things, a lot of different kinds.
Yeah. What are all these things that we made here? A steering wheel? Yeah. What are these? What did we make?
Make an airplane.
An airplane. Yeah. And it has a map.
And it has a compass,
Mm-hmm.
buttons,
Yeah, buttons.
and
A radar, so if we see another airplane, we can get out of the way. Okay, and then what are these things?
these are wings.
Those are the wings. Cool.
This is a wing too.
Okay,
I
awesome.
put airplanes on the airplane.
You put airplanes on your airplanes?
Yeah, look, these are airplanes.
Oh yeah, cool. Airplane stamps. Nice.
And
How did we make this? Did we use tape?
yep, big tape.
And cardboard?
Yeah, cardboard.
Cardboard box and tape. I love what you've done with this. It looks beautiful. I think maybe I'm too big. I don't think I'll fit in this airplane. What do you think?
You
I can't.
can. Then you're gonna break the airplane.
I know. I won't try. I won't try to get in. You're right. I'd probably break your airplane.
Yeah, you can. But trauma over. If you can put a big thing here, and then go to. Don't do that.
It's just for kids, right?
A gigantic tomato will break our house.
Are we gonna move soon? Yeah. Where are we gonna move?
But you know.
Into a bigger house, bigger apartment?
Look.
Oh, you got some stamp on your finger. What happened to this finger?
Boo boo.
You have a boo-boo? Why do you have a boo-boo?
I cut.
You cut it?
I cut. Some people cut his eye.
Yeah, sometimes people cut their eyes. Ouch.
Like this.
Ow. Oof. Ooh. Ooh.
Cut it with a scissor in his eye.
With scissors in their eyes? Yeah, that's why we can never run when we're holding scissors, right? Never run with scissors.
Then we'll cut our legs.
Yeah.
Never
Never run with scissors. We just walk. Yeah.
walk with scissors.
Walk. Yeah.
But I think we can't jump with them either.
Yeah, no jumping while we're holding scissors. Yeah, good.
And no turning.
Yeah, no turning. No spinning with scissors.
And no jumping, no going on the stairs.
Yeah, just walking and standing when we're holding scissors, right? Okay, so I'm going to vacuum our house now and then probably mop the floors after this. After having 3 little kids in our house, so my son plus my friend's 2 kids, the floor is like pretty sticky. So I'm probably going to clean the floors after this. I stumbled upon a little pile of rocks. This is something that always happens in my house. My son seems to collect rocks everywhere he goes. And now I'm going to finish cleaning the kitchen, putting away some recycling, and mostly just putting the dishes away. And now the laundry is done, so I'm hanging it up to dry on the drying racks. Hopefully it won't take too long to dry. And now I'm running around trying to tidy up the living room because there are toys everywhere as usual. And then I actually needed to take a little break from cleaning because my son's auntie came over to visit us. So she's here playing with my son, and we're just going to take a little bit of a break from cleaning for today. There are a lot of things that I have not had a chance to tell you about yet today, such as our packing and our moving, and also getting ready for my son's birthday party. So I'm going to share all of that with you in my next video. If you'd like to watch more real life natural English, watch this video next, and I will see you very, very soon.